Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to get the best possible sign up bonus on the platform Bitget very quickly and very easily. Simply just go down to the video description and click on the link and then you will get to exactly this page right here. As you can see, the referral code is added. That means you're eligible for all the bonuses, all the best bonuses that are currently available on the platform. I will show you right now. The first thing that you can get is currently up to 5,005 US dollar tether. That always can change. They often increase it a little bit throughout the time. And all you have to do for that is just sign up using my link that I showed you. Then you can make a deposit. Here you can see how much you will have to deposit and what bonus you will get. For example, for your first $500, you will get a $15 bonus. And as you can see, it goes up to the $5,000 bonus that you can pick up. It's all explained right here and the different tiers that you can get. And also, for example, if you make your first trades for at least $200 of value, you will get another $5. So it's all explained right here. This is very nice. This is the basic standard bonus that you will get for Bitget. You will always be eligible for all of these bonuses if you just use my link from the video description. And also what you're eligible is for other bonuses that you can see right here. For example, in this week, they have this bonus. This always changes, so you can just, if you use the link and see this right here, you can just click on it and then you can read through all of these different bonuses that you can get. In this case, it's a bonus that you can get in the currency BGB, which is from the Bitget platform. And you can read down here, for example, if you make your first $500 of value, trade value, then you will get another 50 BGB. And all of these bonuses are explained right here. It's very simple, they always change. Just use the link from the description and you'll be eligible for all of these bonuses. Very simple. If you want new tutorials for that, you can check out my channel. I have other tutorials on Bitget, how to trade, how to buy cryptocurrencies, how to deposit if you need more assistance on that. And of course, I've also linked these videos in the video description. And if you have any other questions, feel free to ask them in the comments.